Hey yo, what's up? Today I'm in Bangkok testing out the all-new Lead Hero. While we're at it, I'm gonna be showing you some of Bangkok's coolest district that you might not have known of. Well, let's go! let's go, let's go! Grab bike is definitely the quickest, fastest way to get around Bangkok. Okay, the first spot that we're gonna check out, Song Wat Road, one of the most underrated districts here in Bangkok. Located adjacent from Yawarat Road, or more famously known as Chinatown, and northwest of Talat Noi, Song Wat Road is one of the most up-and-coming hipster district, and you will see why in a short while. Come, let's go explore. Let's go explore this place. Alright, so while you're at Song Wat Road, one of the spots that you gotta check out is Local Boys Coffee Cafe. Super cool hipster cafe, and what makes it so iconic is that they serve their coffee in their own iconic can. Come, let's go grab a coffee. First stop, the Local Boys Coffee at Song Wat Road. How's that for the iconic coffee in a can, huh? Try out the Yuzu Boom. Okay, one of the things that I love about Lead Hero is just how small and pocketable the camera is. Weighing under 100 grams, the camera is small yet powerful. It shoots up to 4K 60 and has a light built into the front of the camera. With 3 levels of brightness, you can shoot from dusk to dawn. At the same time, it also sports that versatile mounting option from GoPro, from the magnetic latch mount, right, to the quarter 20 tripod, to folding fingers at the bottom of the camera. How about that? The camera is built for adventure, to vlogging, to anything in between. And that is why I think it's probably one of my favorite cameras this season. By the way, this entire vlog that you're watching today is shot on the Lead Hero. Tell me, what do you think? Drop in the comments. Yo, this is something that I love about the Lead Hero. In lower light environments or indoors, such as this place, I can simply turn on the lights. How about that? Alright, while you're at Song Wat Road, make sure to check out this street. Super cool vibes all around. Graffitis on the wall, cafes, vintage shops, and a lane that leads you all the way to the Chao Phraya River. Check it out. While you are here, make sure to head all the way down the lane and get up close and personal with the Chao Phraya River. Man, how cool is this space? How cool is this space, huh? Oi! Oi! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Fucking cut! Not a bad spot for lunch, huh? Not a bad spot. This is it, man. Alright, lunch mission done. It's getting super hot. It's time to bounce. Smallest 4K GoPro camera with a screen. How cool is that? Alright, and that's it for today's vlog. Let me know, what do you think of Lead Hero? More importantly, what do you think of Songwat Road? The hidden district of Bangkok City. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I will see you in the next upload.